Welcome to Constangy Clips, the series with tips on staying ahead of important legal challenges in the workplace and cyberspace. My name is Colin Finnegan. I'm an attorney in our Kansas City office and a proud Kansas Jayhawk alumni. And today we're drawing up a game plan for employee discipline. First, follow the handbook. When an employer gets hit with a lawsuit or a charge of discrimination, the first thing their counsel is going to ask for is the handbook or policy that the employee violated. An employer should be clear on what the company's policy or practice is and how the employee violated it. Even if you aren't in a disciplinary situation, it's always a good practice to periodically review your policies for accuracy, consistency, and compliance with new laws. Next, be consistent with your calls. When it comes to employee discipline, consistency is key. Inconsistent treatment can lead to discrimination or retaliation claims, as well as grievances if the employer has a union. If you do have to make a change to your past practice, give employees as much advance warning as possible. If there are unique circumstances that justify treating one employee more strictly than another, consult with your employment counsel and be sure that you document the legitimate, non-discriminatory reasons for the difference in treatment. And last, final means final. Most employers offer some level of progressive discipline, often a point system with the final written warning as the last step before termination. If the employee's job performance is at issue, a performance improvement plan, or PIP, may also be the final step. In either case, one more foul and they are out of the game. If an employee continues to violate the employer's rules or performance standards after receiving a final written warning or PIP, there generally needs to be no other disciplinary action besides termination. Failure to follow through on warnings often shows other employees that you're not serious about discipline. Again, exceptions may apply, but if you need to make that exception, be sure that you can justify it and that you have documented the reasons for your decision. By sticking to a clear playbook, applying discipline consistently, and following through on final warnings, you can help your organization stay out of legal trouble and maintain a fair and productive workplace, not just for March Madness, but for every month out of the year. Thank you for watching. Be sure to follow Constangy on LinkedIn, Facebook, X, and YouTube for important updates and more tips for minimizing risk as labor law, employment law, and the cybersecurity world continue to evolve.